Hi, today I bought a new lock, or I bought it yesterday, but yeah, it's bike lock, wafer lock, made by Abus. So Abus makes wafer locks. I didn't know that. So let's try to pick this open, or rake this open. As you know, wafer locks are not very resistant to raking, so let's try to rake this open. And it's open. Let's try to rake this open again. As you can see, it's locked. And it's open again. So yeah, I think this is just Chinese bike lock with the Abus logo printed on it. And the key is branded Abus too. But yeah, it's no good. As you can imagine, the wafer lock is not very big resistant, and the steel wire is like 5mm thick, so it can be snipped through. But yeah, better than nothing, I guess. But yeah, hit the like button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button if you really like the video. Bye.